Hey guys, in this video, Urban VPN 2026, what they don't tell you before you connect. So, Urban VPN encrypt your connection. Here, VPN doesn't make you completely anonymous. Urban VPN says Open VPN with 256-bit encryption to protect traffic between device and its VPN owner. That's usually especially on public Wi-Fi, but doesn't make you invisible online. Website can still recognize you through account, cookies, and other tracking methods. And also, Urban VPN still process some connection information according to VPN's privacy policy. And here's the biggest thing free Android users should know. Urban VPN privacy policy that users of its free Android app and free extension may have web browsing data collected as well. So yeah, so one of those. So there you go. So the free version isn't identical everywhere, guys. Urban VPN's current product information shows different limitation depending on the platform. For example, its site says Android free service has a 100 MB daily limit, while browser extension and Windows user can access free VPN connection without that limit. So yeah, don't assume that VPN will always make your internet faster, guys. But that's what we see once we try this. Right there, there you go. And be careful with extra privacy features and don't use VPN as a substitute for HTTPS. And don't give the VPN more access than necessary, guys. So there you go, guys. If you're gonna catch me, should you use Urban VPN for basic VPN protection? Urban VPN does not provide actual VPN encryption. But if your main priority is maximum privacy and minimal data collection, you should pay close attention to its privacy policy. Bottom line, before you hit connect, remember VPN encryption is not completely anonymous. But anyways, guys, there we go. I hope you guys did enjoy. If you have any question, concerns, type it down question below, guys. Hope to answer as soon as possible. And there you guys. See you guys on the next one. And thank you, guys.